Alright everyone, my name is Michael Fabulous, so you can call me Fabs for short. Today I want to show you how to add Google Translate to Hyiprio script. I've gotten these questions from various people asking how they could edit Hyiprio to add Google Translate. Not actually the translator that is inbuilt, the one it comes with. No, they are asking how they could add translator to the registration page. This is okay. I have this account here. I have this website here. I've gotten the question as to how to add Google Translate to the login page, to registration page, and some other pages like privacy policy page and all of that. And okay, let me open the pages. Okay, I've got this question how to add it to this very one here and this very one here, terms and condition page and privacy policy page. Okay, so how to add all of this. Okay, here this appears here. The built-in translator is here, and here we have it here too. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to add it manually without using the built-in one. And here on the registration page we don't have any translate or translator. Okay, so to do this we're going to go straight to our cPanel. I'm logged in already, so let me go to my file manager in my cPanel, and I will show you how to do this without having to waste too much of your time. So once you get to file manager, you open it up, allow it to load up. Right now I'm going to go to public_html. If you installed yours directly in your public_html, then you have to skip this very process, the next step that I'm about to do, which is going to this folder. I have mine installed in a folder called TradingView. So you don't have to go to TradingView or any folder if you install directly. Because I have mine in the folder, I'll have to go straight to the folder. Once it opens up, then I will look for the folder called resources and open it up. Then inside of these resources, I go straight to views. Then in views, I'll go straight to our front end. Then in front end, I go to default. In default, I can do what I need to do in alt, and I'll also come to pages to change some other ones. So let's go to alt. Now we are looking for login page. Remember what we have here is this is login page and this is registration page. So let's do for login page first. So just open up this. I will highlight, I will click and right click, then click on edit, allow it to open up. Okay, now the next thing I have to do is just simply come here and say Google Translate. I love using the one from W3 School. So let me just add W3 School. I'm showing you how to do it, where to get the code and how to do all of this. Okay, now it opens up. I'll click on this. Now I'll go straight to W3 School, go down to this let me see how this appears. Okay, no, I don't like this. I think this is the one I normally use. Yes, I'll just say try it for yourself, try it yourself. So this is the code here. Okay, if you run it, just look at here, click on run, look at it. This is how it will appear. But then I don't want to have this example displays a vertical translate button, so I will have to come here and highlight this and delete it. Okay, now I have a clean code. This is what I need, so I'll copy from here to here. I don't have to copy the body tag. Okay, now I have this. I'll simply go back to this place, the login page that we opened, click here, just click enter, then paste. Now I'll have to save it. Okay, now yeah, saved successfully. Now this is the login page. Let me refresh and see what happens. Okay, still loading. Now look at it here. We have the Google Translate button here. Okay, we'll have to do the same thing for the registration page. So let me go back here Now come to registration page, then edit. Now come here again and paste it. Yeah, and paste it. Now say save. Now let's go check it out. This is the registration page. Let me refresh and see what happens. Yeah, we have the Google Translation page here. Now let's go ahead. Now we need to edit for privacy policy page. Oh, okay, sorry, I think that was too fast. Just come to pages, just go back. Remember we went to alt to edit the login and registration page. So let's go back. Now we'll go to pages. Now we are looking for privacy policy page. Look at one here. Look at it here. We have this privacy policy page, so I have to edit. Now I'll come here, then enter the Google Translation code. Now where is the privacy policy page? I think it should be this one. Let me refresh. Oh, nothing happened. Okay, now we have it here. All right, yeah, I think this is our network. Okay, now let's go back to terms and condition page, which is this. Now let's go to edit. Okay, come here, click enter, then paste and save. Now we've saved it. Let's go to, this is the terms and condition. This is in Spanish though. Yeah, now let's refresh and wait for it to load up. I think, yeah, look at it here. Now this is done.